Hi everyone, it's Miss Elizondo, and this video is going to help you update your science notebook for week 3.3. That's the third week of the third 6 weeks. So I'm going to show you my notebook. Okay, I'm going to use first period this time. Okay, so first period's notebook looks like this. So if I open it up, I see the syllabus that I'm following for this week. Okay, week 3.3. So we took a quiz on Monday, so we're not taking a quiz on Thursday. Okay, we had all these vocabulary words. Okay, so the vocabulary page is the first page for week 3.3. Okay, so week 3.3 has landform vocabulary words. Okay, so landforms, we have a canyon. Okay, and that's a valley between steep cliff sides formed by running water, such as river or stream. So if you're looking for a picture of a canyon, yes, you can Google it. I also have pictures of me and my family at the Grand Canyon in your Google Classroom. Okay, so you can see a real example of a canyon. Okay, the next word is a delta. Okay, that's where the river meets the ocean. Okay, but in that process, the soil is dropped at the mouth of the river and it makes these weird little shapes of land. Okay, so that is a delta. The sand dune is just a hill of sand created by wind. Okay, so when the wind moves the sand and then the wind stops and the sand will drop because of gravity. Okay. Then you have a moraine. The moraine is broken up mountain. It's pieces of mountain that are broken by a glacier. Okay. So my definition is a mass of rocks and sediments carried down and deposited by a glacier. Okay. So the next one is valley. So you have two types of valleys. You have the V-shaped valley, and I drew two mountains, and then I have water going through. Okay. And then you have the U-shaped valley that a glacier went through, and you can see the letter U in the U-shaped valley, and you can see the letter V in the V-shaped valley. And both are just low-lying land between mountains or hills. Okay. The next one is a glacier. Okay. That's just a big chunk of ice, and it's a large mass of ice, slowly moving ice that causes the U-shaped valley. The next landform we have is a cave, okay? And that is a natural hollow underground space. So I have the mountains, but at the bottom of the mountain, I have that cave, okay? It's underground. And then we have like a bonus, a landform, okay? The volcano. The volcano does change the Earth's surface. Okay. It is the opening of the Earth's crust, which lava and ash erupt, but it also makes new land fast. It's not a slow change to the Earth's surface. When that volcano erupts, it's going to change the Earth's surface quickly. Okay. So these are the vocabulary words for week 3.3. If I turn the page, okay, I have the title landforms, process, and agent. Okay, so I have this chart right here. It is page 91 of your Think Up book. Page 91 of your Think Up book, I only used the bottom part, which is the chart. I drew the sand dune. I wrote the process that makes the sand dune and the agent that makes the sand dune. Okay, so deposition makes the sand dune because of the wind. Okay, a delta, the process is deposition because of the water at the delta. It's going to drop that soil. In a canyon, it's weathering and erosion, and the agents are wind and water break up and move that canyon. And then the last one, I had to draw it in. So I did 3 lines down and I added to my chart. I added the U-shaped valley. Okay, the U-shaped valley is weathering and erosion. The rock breaks and moves because of ice. Okay, the ice or the glacier is going to cut or break and move some of that mountain, and it takes the shape of a U, like the letter U as an umbrella. Okay, so that is what we have for week 3.3 for landforms. Thank you.